Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing the 2-ounce gold and 2-ounce silver Waterloo medals from the Royal Mint. These coins are issued by the Royal Mint as part of the Great Engravers series, celebrating Benedetto Petrucci's iconic Waterloo medal, touted by numismatists as the greatest medal design in Britain. After 30 years in the making, the medal was famously never struck due to fears it would damage the dies. This coin is the first in a 2-part edition, with the second issue being released in 2025. The Battle of Waterloo, fought on the 18th of June 1815, was a decisive conflict that ended the Napoleonic Wars. Taking place near Waterloo, in present-day Belgium, the battle saw Napoleon's French forces clash with a coalition led by the Duke of Wellington. After a grueling day of combat, the coalition forces succeeded in defeating the French, leading to Napoleon's final downfall and exile. This victory not only ended Napoleon's rule, but also reshaped the political landscape of Europe. Born in Rome in 1783, Benedetto Petrucci's earliest work, fashioning medals and cameos, soon affirmed his reputation as a talented gem engraver with international repute. Arriving in London in 1815, the renowned engraver was quick to prove his worth, soon being commissioned by the Master of the Royal Mint for a series of new gold and silver coins designs to be released in 1817. A new sovereign reverse design was introduced featuring St. George slaying a dragon, designed by the brilliant young Italian engraver. This beautiful classic design remains on our gold sovereigns today, over 200 years later, and has been one of the world's most recognised coins for most of its existence. The reverse design of this coin shows the obverse of the original Waterloo medal. It captures the original allegorical tapestry of the Battle of Waterloo. At the centre of the design are the left-facing portraits of 4 major Allied leaders, depicted in Roman clothing with laurel crowns atop their heads as a sign of victory. The obverse of the coin features the uncrowned coinage portrait of King Charles III by Martin Jennings. This coin bears a legend on the obverse which reads, Charles III, DG, Rex, FD, £5. Whilst the obverse of the gold coin reads Charles III, DG, Rex, FD, £200. The silver coin contains 2 ounces of the precious metal, holds a fineness of 999, is exempt from CGT, and is presented in a box with a certificate of authenticity. These coins have a maximum mintage of 3060. The gold coin contains 2 true ounces of 24 karat gold, giving this coin a fineness of 999.9. They are exempt from CGT and VAT, and also come in a box with a certificate of authenticity. These coins have an extremely low maximum mintage of just 221 coins. Thank you for watching. For more information on these coins, please sign up to our mailing list by clicking the links below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, X, Facebook and Threads.